Welcome. If you've ever wondered which advertisers are targeting you on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will walk you through how to find your advertiser list using the latest update on PC. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, so let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your personalized settings. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the left-hand side of your screen for the main menu. From there, click on More. This will open up a full list of options that give you access to your account features, preferences, and settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can fine-tune everything from your security to your data sharing, and now it's also where you can find details about your advertising activity. Inside Settings and Privacy, go ahead and click Privacy and Safety. This section helps you manage how your information is used on X and what data is visible to advertisers. Now, look for Ads Preferences. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page that shows how ads are personalized for you based on your activity and interests. This is where you can manage your ad settings or review which advertisers have connected with your profile. Under Ads Preferences, you'll see an option called Your Advertiser List. Select it to open a list of brands and companies that have included your account in their targeting lists. This can be really useful if you want to see which businesses use your data for advertising. If prompted, enter your password to confirm your identity before accessing the advertiser list. This step ensures your account privacy and security. And that's it. You've successfully found your advertiser list on X. Explore it to see who's targeting your account and adjust your ad preferences if something doesn't sit right with you. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to share it or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.